What are you excited for? The ropes course? Yeah. You're gonna be brave, dog? You're gonna do the zip line?
Yeah.
You're not scared? You're brave. Give me 5. You're leading the way. You're gonna do the zip line like him? Good job, Bubba. Woo! Good job, Kale. Woo! Did you like that, Kale? Oh, wow. Let's go, Cash! Yay! Let's go, Mom. Okay, Sadie! Go, Kale, go!
Good job, Bubba.
I'm trying to get a video of Kale. There it goes.
Look, I'll hold it steady.
Go, Kale! Oh yeah, that is weird.
Like they changed. Oh wow, these ones move.
Which one do you want to do? This one? Careful, Kayla.
Listen up, nerd. Oh, wait,
Look at the roller coaster go. Kale, look at Daddy. How's that? You like that one? You did good. You're brave.
You did it!
You're 5, Bubba. Sadie gonna do it?
Yep.
Here, Kale, go past me here. Oh, wait. Move right here.
Sadie shark.
You want to do the last one?
Wait.
Okay.
Come on, Sadie, all the way out.
That's
Do it
good.
all the way. You can do it. You're almost there.
This is good. There you go. You can go to that one now.
It's so scary. Move out of my way.
Move. It's not bad.
Whew. It's a long drop right there. That was so sketch.
I know. Keep going.
Keep going, Cash. Hang your toes off the ledge.
I'm okay.
Come on, tip your toes off the ledge.
Now I'm going back. Okay, let's go.
All right.
You gonna go? Oh, yeah.
Wow. Ooh, these are wobbly. Dang, Cassie went like way over there already.
I want to do that. Okay, you go.
I'll get you going across it.
Go away.
Cassie is running. All right, go together. Sadie, do it. Sadie, do it. Sadie.
Hey, do it.
I don't know.
Here, let me go over there and watch her. Sadie, you can do it. You got that, girl. Show us all up. Show us how a college graduate does it. Sadie, Sadie. You ready? There's our spot. This would be a good view of them if they were there. There's our spot.
I don't know where they are.
Oh man, wobbling. I know, I don't know if you can go backwards or not. Yeah. Did Kale go again? He went again? Oh my gosh, that's funny. You wanna go catch him?
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, Cash.
The only reason why I'm scared right now is because I'm the clumsiest one of all of them.
That one came loose.
Shut up. Now, I must say, this one I've been fearing the whole time.
Kayla's?
You did it. You already did it once.
I want to come watch.
He's coming, Kale.
Kale, wait for me.
Got it.
Kale, you're so brave and strong. Stretch out and grab another one. There you go.
This is the second time you've done it, right?
You're a pro, Kale. Kale, look at that, you smile. You're so brave.
I want to try to do it facing towards the ocean.
Do it back.
What?
Kale, you're so brave.
I wonder if I could just do it like side to side on the outside. That way I can like face them.
Oh, yeah, yeah, try that.
I'll let you know how it goes when he gets off.
Okay, we'll come over here and watch him. Good job, Bubba. You are awesome.
That was quicker than the other.
That was quick. All right, Sadie.
That was fun.
You did
I love
amazing.
doing that. Baby,
Yay, Sadie.
baby. You don't look down.
Sadie, your strap looks a little loose.
That almost hurt my feelings. If you said that to me, I would cry.
It's so cool doing it like this.
It's like we're in Jumanji.
You're strapped now.
What?
I was holding these back.
Hey, give me it.
Here you go.
Here, go, Sadie.
Stop it.
Here you go.
Yeah. You want to do this one? You want to do this one? Mom.
And this one is.
Go, mommy.
Like you're a nat.
I know.
All right, I'm going to go on this one. Good luck.
Kaylee, you're a pro, babe.
She's having fun.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you can go.
I like your thing.
I'm gonna throw you in here.
Oh, all right. Woo! Okay, that wasn't as, it's not as scary as I
My
thought.
heart rate, my chest.
Feels scary. It's like dang.
Yeah. Cash is flying.
It's not fun when you just fly through it. You gotta stare at that.
Cash, do your George of the Jungle yell.
I've never seen George of the Jungle.
Do your Tarzan yell.
Daddy, can we do it again? Can we do it again? Daddy, what are you
I think we're all done, Bubba. There's a lot of people online that want to go too.
I want to go.
You did it twice. We'll let some other people have a turn. Maybe we'll come back at nighttime. How late are you guys open?
Until 6 today.
6 today. Okay, maybe we'll go tonight later.
Yeah.
You get